Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2022 Subaru BRZ, stock number 6225. It's ran from the 10th 2021 to the current shape. It has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA24 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,